In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get WooCommerce on WordPress. Understanding how to do this will open up a world of possibilities for turning your website into an online store, allowing you to manage products, sales, and other essential e-commerce features effectively. WooCommerce is a powerful plugin developed by Automatic, the same team behind WordPress.com, ensuring a seamless integration source for your online needs. Let's delve right into the process. First, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll want to hover over the option labeled Plugins. Clicking on this will reveal a submenu where you'll find Add New. Selecting this option takes you to the plugin installation page, where you will search for new plugins to enhance your site's functionality. In the search bar located on the upper right corner of the page, type in WooCommerce and hit Enter. This action prompts WordPress to search for the plugin in its repository. Keep an eye out for WooCommerce by Automatic, which should appear as one of the top results thanks to its popularity. It's crucial to ensure you choose this version, as it's the official release, boasting optimal compatibility with WordPress itself. Once you've found WooCommerce in the search results, you'll notice a blue button labeled Install Now next to it. Clicking this button initiates the automatic download of the plugin files required for installation directly onto your site. It might take a few seconds, so hang tight. When the installation is successfully completed, the Install Now button will transform into a new button that says Activate. Clicking Activate is essential as it switches the plugin on and enables its features on your WordPress site. Once activated, WooCommerce will seamlessly integrate into your existing WordPress setup, and you're one step closer to managing your very own online store. After activation, WooCommerce will automatically launch its setup wizard, designed to guide you through the initial configuration. This wizard is incredibly user-friendly, breaking down the setup process into manageable steps. It will help you configure necessary settings, such as your store's location, currency, shipping, and payment options, ensuring everything is tailored to your business needs. Taking the time to carefully review each setting will pay off in the long run, as it significantly impacts how your store functions. In conclusion, installing WooCommerce onto your WordPress site is a straightforward process that brings substantial benefits. By transforming your ordinary website into a fully functional online store, you can efficiently manage your inventory, customers, and transactions, setting the stage for a thriving e-commerce venture. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new WooCommerce store.